Hello, this is Melissa from Central Packing Wear. Welcome to my collection, Melissa Talk About. Today, I would like to show you this is a very new Central product, a dessert box with pyramid shapes. As you can see, we've got 4 floors, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this shape, we have 3 floors, which you can design different. This product is really popular in East. Many countries like the Middle East, they will use this product for many parties and after school or the birthday, which is a very beautiful and good products for the party. If you want, as we can see, we can do different designs. As this one, see, is very Middle East style, and this one is very popular and very party style. So if you like some very different, very unique and very new dessert box for your party, I think this box will be the perfect style for you. So if you like it, welcome to contact us. Bye bye.